What's up guys, it's me obviously. I have Grey's Anatomy in the background, and my family's playing Destiny in there. Also, this is my baking shirt. I've come to that conclusion. I wear it every time I bake. So yeah. I'm making 2 kinds of cookies because Papa insisted on having peanut butter cookies, so now I have to make peanut butter cookies as well. This is the last of our eggs, and we can't go out for more. So that's fine. This is a good angle. Oh, I keep breaking it from a weird angle. What? Okay. Reese's. Okay, so peanut butter cookies are 1 cup of peanut butter. We have another peanut butter, that's why I'm not worried about this. I mean, another thing of peanut butter. It's 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. 3 ingredients, 1 thing of each. Is he actually using her? He likes her, right? Yeah. Okay. I was like, no. 1 cup of sugar. Oh. I'm naming this video Quarantine Easter Cookies. Even though it's not Easter yet. Let me watch it. Yeah. Do I look cute? Oh, I knew it. So, I took off all of my nails except my thumbs because I can't get my thumbnails off. But, the 2, huh? Yeah. And it's just because I was kind of annoyed by them, and 1 had fallen off, like literally, it just fell off, and I was like, oh no, I'm supposed to put flour on the bottom. Oh well, already happened. No, I love them. My lesbian heart. For both cookies, it's $3.50. For the cake mix one, it's 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, and the cake mix. So they're both really simple recipes. Oh wait, I'm putting peanut butter. Okay, for these ones, you just roll them out like normal cookies. For the peanut butter cookies, you're gonna take a fork, if you want to. It's just for design, and they look better. Like honestly, it doesn't change the taste. Obviously, you just go like that, and then you go the other way. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean up and finish the cookies, and I'll come back on here when I'm decorating these ones. Okay, so basically what had happened was I burnt the first batch of cookies, of the peanut butter cookies, of these cookies. I don't know what happened. I left them in there for 8 minutes, so I am putting them for 6 minutes now, and they came out perfect. I forgot to put the imprint on the peanut butter cookies, on those ones, so they're little balls right now, but that's fine. Yeah. Let me write quarantine on them. Where the heck? Q-U-A-R.
Quarantine is spelled Q-U-A-R-A-N-T-I-N-E.
Move. Oh. Quarantine.